know what design thinking is, right? Yes. Have you ever thought of using design thinking to solve problems in your real life? Yes. Yeah, but I didn't. I haven't realized that we can use design thinking to solve problems in our real life until I came across a group of people solving their problems using these design thinking techniques. By then, I was in the final year of my graduation and I was not particular about my career. I was in a confusion what to choose. I thought of going for design thinking and choosing my career. Then I started digging deeper myself. There, I had an idea of starting a school. That I discussed with my faculty and other students and other fellows. They were very impressed of the idea. And using these design thinking principles, I prototyped it and tested it with a few students, and it worked really well. With these feedback, what I did is I applied for the permission to start a school. Do you think that I get it? No. Yeah, I didn't. I didn't. The only reason that my application got rejected is it is different from all the schools that was there in India. Yeah, I have no idea what to do next. That time, my father suggested me, you have a degree, why not go for a job? I started my first job as a business analyst, but again, it's a failure. Literally, I had nothing to do for 6 months. I was sitting idle in the office and I was getting paid. I was not satisfied with it. I resigned for my job. Then, this time, I'm not going to give up. I started working in a software company with the little knowledge that I have. Then, it was a success. Now, I'm getting paid and I'm acquiring skills to reach my goal. Apart from doing job, in my free time and in the weekends, what I do is I go for schools and teach children with the methodology that I wanted to be in the school. And it was really working. And I think within no time, I would be able to reach my goal. And now that most of you are going to complete your graduations in an year or two, am I right? Yes. Yeah. And you may be in a confusion to choose your career. Why not try using design thinking principles and try to choose your career? I'm sure most of you would not be able to make it at the first attempt, but don't give up. Try until you reach it. Design thinking is all about repeating the process until you succeed. Then, from this, I would like to leave you with a question. How might we use design thinking to identify and solve problems in your life? Thank you.